Okay, so what's up, guys? It's your guy Shapiras once again, and guys, in today's video, I'm continuing what I started with you. I started that's I think YouTube monetization course with you, and I did the first video already explaining what YouTube is and how much you can get from YouTube and all those kind of things, and how I make $1,000 every month. And I think if you don't watch that video, the link will be below the description box. Go and check the description. So click on the first link on the description box below to go and watch that video. Okay, so yeah. Because this is my channel here that talk about how to make money online. The name is still remain Shapiro Acid. I did a video about how to make money online. As you can see, that's the video I'm talking about that we have here. How I made my $1,000 every month. And this is part 2 of the video, guys. It's an online course that I introduced, so this is part 2 of it. So in scroll there, you can see I have a bunch of videos that talk about how to make money online. And guys, I'm going to come down and explain everything to you, everything that you need to know about YouTube and do YouTube pay or not. And guys, when you're here, I want to see all of you to do something for me, okay? I'm begging you in the name of God that would click on the like button, and guys, share the video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online, and also subscribe, and also show your boys and love by subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram page that I post tips about how to make money online. So come to Instagram, search the name Sapira721, and also there will be a link below that will lead you to what my Telegram. You can see my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel here that I post about tips about how to make money online, YouTube monetization, and every kind of money that I make here. I post it here for people to know that okay, I really make money online. As you can see, this is my flyers about promotion. I also do promotion to all social media platforms. In case you want to boost your channel, in case you want to boost your Instagram channel, your Facebook channel, and all those kind of things, I do. I also follow me on Twitter. The name still remains Shapiro Acid on Twitter. Come to Twitter and follow your boy, show your boys and love by follow me on Twitter. I also drop about tips about how I make money online. And with that much I said, with that much time I wasted in the introduction, let's hop into the video. Okay, so today I'm using my phone. I'm not using my laptop. I'm using my phone to explain everything to you into details. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how you'll be able to create email account. So let's say for something like Gmail, because I'm going to help you to how you can create a Gmail account and everything that you need to do here. Okay, so you search for sign in with Google account. So when you search for it, you click on the first link. When you click on the first link, you can see I have a bunch of Google accounts here, but I click on use another method. So I hope all of you are getting it. So go and search for Google account online. When you search for Google accounts online, click on the first one and click on add account to device. So click on the add account to device. The reason why you also appear that is that I know both of you are having accounts already, okay? Because if you're not having accounts, you'll not be able to watch this video. Okay, so when you're here, they are requiring us to put our phone number there. So make sure that you put a valid phone number or email address, and make sure that if you already have account, then that's what you do. But yeah, you don't have account, so we click on to create a new account, and I'll click for create for myself. Now they require us to give us our new name. So let's just go with them with the first thing and the last thing. Guys, I'm doing all these things from scratch. Okay, I'm going to create a YouTube channel with you all. I'm going to monetize it within 1 month for you all to see, or within a week or 2 weeks for you all to see that okay, I really know what I'm doing. Okay, I really know what I'm doing. So you can see I'm just creating a new Gmail account, which I know all of you watching this video have already, but I'm just going to explain it to you how you can create a new one. Okay, so after giving them your name, you click on the next, and you give them your month. So let me just choose a random month real quick. So I'm creating all these accounts with you all. Okay, so let me just give them a random month. Let me just give them the random days here, 24th. Let me give them 1998. Okay, gender. Okay, let me give them male, and click on next. Okay, so which one? I know everybody watching this video is having one. Okay, so Google is going to generate some for us. So you decide to pick, or you create your own one, but I decide to pick the second one. It's like YouTube. Okay, P2. Okay, I think I like that. Okay, I think I like the second one. So let me just click on next. Okay, the next thing is to provide our password. And guys, for security reasons, I have to not to show up my password. Okay, and now you provide the number. Guys, don't call this number. This number is not my number. Okay, so never send any message to this number because you not get me. Okay, so when you are here, all that you need to do is click on next. So click on the next button. So when you click on the next button, guys, sorry that I'm talking so fast because I don't want to make this video too long. That's why it seems like I'm talking too fast, but I hope you're getting understanding of whatever we are doing here. So when you're here, go ahead and read the terms and conditions and click on I agreed. So when you click on I agree, wait for it to load. Guys, whilst loading, if you think that what I'm showing in this video, you really love the tutorial I'm showing in this video, why not go ahead and click on the subscribe button below to be notified and I drop more videos, and also share the video to your friends who are looking for a way to make money online, because I do make all of my money online. And guys, I know all of you who are watching this video are having a Gmail account already, okay? So you can decide not to create another one. You can decide to create another one. I'm doing all this one to show people who don't have, or people who are a beginner to know what to do. You can say after creating it, you have a Gmail account created there. Now, what's the next step for us to do? Now we have a new Gmail account that I created with you, and now I'm going to the YouTube. So let me just go to YouTube real quick, and let me go and show you can create a YouTube account on YouTube. Okay, guys, because I'm using my phone, I'm not going to go ahead and show everything about every setting in this video. Okay, my next video, my part 3 of the video, will be showing every setting. Okay, so when you are here, okay, let me just go back real quickly. Let me just go back. Sorry for my network. Okay, it seems like I have a poor network here today. I'm very, very sorry for that. Okay, so let me just go back real quick. Okay, so this is how the interface look like. Okay, so now when you're here, you can see I have my picture at the top there. Click on the top right corner and click on my name. You can see Shapiro Acid. So click on your name. After I click on my name, you will see that all the accounts that I have on YouTube will load. Okay, I have a bunch of accounts on YouTube, and I don't want to show the interface because people will be go there and be copying my stuffs. Okay, people used to copy people's stuffs. So you can see the one we have, the account that we created right now is the one at the down. So you click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, it will load. So it's for it to load. Okay, whilst loading, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and not share the video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. Okay, guys. So let's just wait for it to load. It's still loading. Okay, guys. Boom. Here we are. As you can see, so this is the email account. This is the email that I have created with you all. Now, how to see the email? You can see you have a P at the top there. Just click on that P. I don't know if all of you can see where my recorder is. Click on the top there. Click on the P and click on what? My channel. So when you click on my channel, let's just wait for it to come real quick. Okay, so you're here to create a YouTube account. Okay, now you can see you can decide to add picture to it, or to change your name. So let me just add a random picture right now real quick to make the account very nice. And so I think I don't have any pictures yet. Okay, I think I have a picture here. Let me just look for a random account. Okay, let me use this picture. Okay, let me just use this picture real quickly. Okay, let me just bring something. You guys, make sure that you design a brand. Okay, in case you know that a niche. My next video will be talking about how to search a niche. And guys, I'm also creating a course that will help you to learn all these things. Okay, but this one is the free version of it, so you may not get all the information that you need. Okay, so now click on account and you can see that our accounts have been successfully created. Guys, that's all in creation of accounts. You can see these accounts have been successfully created. So all that you need to do is click on create and you start uploading videos. But guys, we have another settings of how you'll be able to set your account to a random one. As you can see, when you look at my account, I have a bunch of like some nice design interface and things, but this one is not having anything. Okay, so but I'm not going to go ahead to explain how you'll be able to design all those things. In case you want to know, then there will be a link that will lead you to my WhatsApp group for you to join my WhatsApp group and be part of my course, because I have created a course so far about how you can create and monetize your YouTube channel within 1 month. And guys, don't think about how you get a video, because myself, I'm going to show you the better niche for you and better way how you'll be able to get video and post every day and make YouTube or make money on YouTube every month. Okay, I'm a minute, so I'm not going to go ahead and explain how you do the settings. I'll explain that further to my students who are in my course, as you all see. So guys, we are done in the creation of account. That's how simple the account is. So all that I'm here to show you is that now the choice lies in your course. Okay, whether to make money or not. I know we have a lot of apps. We have a lot of apps making money online, apps and all those kind of things. Okay, but guys, those apps are not going to help you. Okay, those apps are not going to. Those apps can even decide to block anytime, any moment. Guys, YouTube is a platform that you can make a lot of money from, and it's not even from Google AdSense. You can get a lot of sponsors from here and make a lot of money. Guys, I can show you that I have a bunch of YouTube channels that are making me at least $500 every month. Okay, at least $500 every month. Even though it's not enough, but I use that one to pay my school fees and do a lot of things. Guys, you can also make this free money yourself. The money is not anything. The money here is what? Invest your effort and what? Also make a lot of money here. As you can see, the course outline. This is the course outline. As you can see, I posted this thing 11 hours ago. And as you can see, creation of a YouTube account, I've email, and creation of YouTube accounts, I've done it already. So my next video about how I'll be able to get niche, but I'm not going to do video about how to be able to get niche. Okay, because I know the moment I show you people how to get niche, people will not be able to learn more from me again. Okay, so as you can see, this is I think this is my 5th channel. This is my last channel. This is the last channel I created, and so far you can see how best is also doing. It's also doing in the market very, 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 very well. Even though I created it, then I've not been active on it, but I plan to be active on it, because I can see people are really, really loving this particular niche, how to make money online. People are really, really loving it, and it's really, really working. Okay, there's a lot of money online for you to make. Okay, there's a lot of money for you to make. So I'm encouraging you up there that you can also do it. Okay, just click on the link below to be added to my Telegram channel, where I post tips about how to make money online. You can see I have a bunch of YouTube channels that I've monetized so far. You can see I've just monetized this YouTube channel in just a month. You can also do it, guys. You can also do it yourself. As you can see, I have a bunch of money. Let me just show you the payment proof that I'm truly withdrawing money. You can see I'm truly withdrawing money from Google AdSense. Google is really, really, really making me money. guys, you can also make this money online. Okay, so I'm encouraging all of you to who are serious to create a YouTube account. And guys, a YouTube account is like a full-time business. Okay, a full-time business that even if you stop making videos, if you're not making videos, they will still be what, be paying you. Okay, they'll still be paying you. So and that's why I encourage all of you to get a website. Okay, so anything that you need to know, this is a future business, anything that you want to know about this, you can go ahead and what, just join my Telegram. Because I have a bunch of things that I think that will help you, people who are watching this video, because I know your aim is to what, to make money online. That's why you're watching this video. So I don't want, I want all of us what, to make this money online. So with that much I said, I think I'm coming to the end of this video, and the part 3 of the video will come. That will be talking about how you'll be able to get some niche, and how you'll be able to get subscribers and okay. So guys, views, that's it, that there. And I don't want to make this video too long, so I think I've explained so far in this video. If anything, drop me a comment. See you in my next video. I'm out.